Hi friends, good afternoon. Today we will talk about a very hot topic about GIC women's. Canada has been hottest destination in India and throughout the world for fantastic city. For applying Canadian permit, we required a GIC certificate. GIC certificate is one of the critical document which is required. What is GIC? GIC stand for Guaranteed Investment Certificate. That shows that you have transferred successfully 10,000 Canadian dollar in your GIC account in Canada. So GIC, what are the banks open a GIC for in Canada? I mean for the students. There are majorly four banks: Nova Scotia, CIBC, ICICI Bank, and SBI. Out of four, 95% of the student choose Nova Scotia and CIBC. The reason behind that, Nova Scotia and CIBC are Canadian bank, and they do have fantastic network and presence throughout the Canada. And I would like to tell you the basic requirement of GIC. In basic requirement of GIC, a student must have a passport, valid passport. A student must have a offer letter of a university where he wish to study. A student must have a PAN card copy and a saving account in India, be it any private bank or nationalized bank will do. There's a four document is required. And for getting the account, I mean to get the account detail, to open your account, it takes 24 to 48 hours maximum. 2 दिन के अंदर ये अकाउंट ओपन हो जाता है. 2 दिन के अंदर पेमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन विल लाइंड अप in at your secure email ID, whatever you have created that point of time opening up account. So that in PDF format, the payment instruction will be landed in your account. You just open that and download that, right? And another question comes that how soon the GIC certificate they will be receiving after getting the payment processed. So I would like to tell you in Nova Scotia, it takes 7 to 8 days, working days, to get your GIC certificates in your account, in your secure mail account. In CIBC cases, it takes 2 to 3 days time, or sometime it comes before than that. In ICICI Bank, it takes 3 to 4 days. Normally, it takes 3 to 4 days time. And the certificate comes in the PDF format that you can take it out and get it done. Another question comes, lot of time parents ask, हम लोग 10,000 जमा कराएंगे, हमारे बच्चों को किस तरीके से मिलेगा, and बैंक के क्या क्या charges हैं. So they talk about a lot of questions in fact. And I would like to tell you one thing, in GIC there's a limit for 10,000 to 40,000 that you can deposit in your Canadian account. 10,000 is a minimum. That is the first year's accommodation, lodging, for meeting the personal expenses that required. 10,000 is minimum. In CIBC, you can fund up to 20,000. Different bank has different charges. Nova Scotia charge $200. When you open an account in Nova Scotia, we will fund from here 10,200 Canadian dollar. So Nova Scotia will deduct 200 rupees and fund 10,000 in your account. Same as in case of CIBC. CIBC charge 150 Canadian dollar. So at the time of CIBC instruction, we will fund from here 10,150 Canadian dollar. In case of ICICI Bank, ICICI charge 175 Canadian dollar. So at the time from sending from here, we will transfer 10,175 Canadian dollar, and the bank will take the charge, and remaining 10,000 exactly will land in your account, and you will be getting a certificate accordingly for that, right? And another question comes, how student will get the funds from there. So after landing in Canada, you have to go to your bank where you have open your GIC account and get it funded. So they will activate your GIC account out there. They will open a normal account out there, and first installment of 2,000 Canadian dollar they will transfer into their local account. So because as in when the student land there at very first time, those are dollar चाहिए होते हैं. There are a lot of things they have to do. They have to arrange for accommodation, they have to buy a lot of household things, they have to do a lot of arrangements. So $2,000 वो देते हैं पहले महीने के अंदर. एंड इन केस ऑफ नोवा स्कॉशिया बचा हुआ जो 8,000 है 667 का वो 12 इंस्टॉलमेंट के अंदर वो फिर आपको हर महीने देते हैं. इन केस ऑफ CIBC भी आपको पहले महीने $2,000 आपको देगा और 1,000 की 8 इंस्टॉलमेंट के अंदर आपको वो पेमेंट फंड करेंगे आपके लोकल अकाउंट के अंदर. बट जो साइकिल होता है वो 45 दिन का होगा. हर 45 दिन में वो $1,000 आपको देते जाएंगे. तो वो भी एक साल के अंदर 13 महीने के अंदर दैट अमाउंट विल बी एग्जॉस्टेड, राइट. सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग. और बहुत बार पेरेंट्स पूछते हैं कि बच्चे के अकाउंट के अंदर हम लोग 3-4 महीने पहले 2 महीने पहले पैसा जमा कराते हैं, डू वी गेट सम इंटरेस्ट आउट ऑफ दैट? यस, यू गेट द इंटरेस्ट. बट अनलाइक इन इंडिया के अंदर सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट के अंदर आप देखेंगे 5%, 6%, बहुत से अकाउंट में 7% भी इंटरेस्ट रेट आपको मिलेगा. बट कनाडा के अंदर इंटरेस्ट रेट्स आर वेरी वेरी लो. यू विल गेट 0.5%, 1% और मैक्सिमम 2%. In Nova Scotia cases, you will be getting a 1% interest, only 1% interest, and CIBC की cases के अंदर you will be getting a 1.2% interest. So that is a very critical thing to know that, because ये नहीं है कि यहाँ 5 से 6% मिल रहा है तो वहाँ भी वो मिलेगा. That is very very important thing. And one of the important thing I just want to share while making the GIC transfer, it is very very critical. Lot of banker doesn't understand how to process GIC, because GIC is not getting processed unlike normal tuition fee transfer or higher study transfers, Flywire or pay my tuition fee, Western Union. They are different platform, but they are not used for GIC payments, right? So GIC payment is a technical payment. You have to be very cautious while getting it processed. One of the important thing is that beneficiary name and remitter name has to be the same. Exactly the spelling has to be matched. Beneficiary address and the remitter address, both the address has to be same. You have to ensure, you have to take a copy while opening an account, while applying for account for the GIC, be it CIBC or Nova Scotia. You must keep a record of it, because I'll tell you what happened. If even a small digit, in even a pin code in small digit will be different, your GIC will be returned. Your GIC will be totally returned, right? And believe me, it doesn't mean that the GIC got returned next day you will be getting a funds back. वो 4 हफ्ते के अंदर आपका पैसा वापस आता है. हो सकता है आपका 2 दिन के बाद आए, 3 दिन के बाद आए, 5 दिन के बाद आए, 10 दिन के बाद आए. बट GIC TAT, Nova Scotia TAT says it will reflect in your account 4 weeks, right? फिर जब पैसा वापस आता है फिर वो कट के $50-$60 $70 वो कट के आता है. फिर दोबारा उसको रीप्रोसेस करो, दोबारा चार्जेस पे आउट करो. इट इज़ अ बेटर, पहली बार आप भेजिए, सोच समझ के भेजिए, सारी चीज़ों को वेरीफाई करिए. जैसे मैंने बताया रेमिटर का नेम, रेमिटर का एड्रेस, it is exactly same as beneficiary का name, beneficiary का address. Both the things has to be same, and the fund has to be from the student's account. The student must have, as I told you earlier, must have a PAN card, because जब यहाँ से हम transfer effect करते हैं तो student का PAN card होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So these are one of the important things I just want to tell you, right? And आने वाले टाइम के अंदर, आने वाली वीडियो के अंदर मैं आपको बताऊँगा GIC अकाउंट किस तरीके से खोलते हैं. ट्यूटोरियल्स आई विल शो यू एट ऑन द गूगल. आई विल टेल यू दैट. और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू हैव विद रिगार्ड टू GIC पेमेंट, विद रिगार्ड टू प्रोसेस, एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू कॉल मी. माई नंबर इज़, you can call me or you can just give me a email, and my email ID is mentioned on the link. I will try to help you out. I can give you guarantee that I will respond every query. I will respond every your questions with seriousness and with the best process. Thank you very much.